Biakamal kanwar online TV channel to kon ke breaking news kon lat ke jan gwasame lerban lat gwasame lerme bere wish ke Uganda ke kwide indiken tintiken ga jakre wish ke so Sudan ajana na gorno banyo yakel ram rache ke jan lerban linge agat yuwere ku gata musabeni ala kwar and cap Uganda jaram dan rach kole la gade jen te rwani te bejbe te chalat ko koninten paywe ko la mencha goran walle eno teke de ni ken la de ni Uganda ti jagre wi ke so Sudan akena content banaling ka jan lerame mi jiram jidit kanor online TV channel gorjen wo jender je nyanaten ko ken naka jen wo jinba der subscribe kanor online TV channel ko bean ngwana ko mala lerech so ngayene gwan wo tin kono lat ko ngwa ba khling bana chure lerga madana gor kon leng daga jan gwasame gat kwaran ke Uganda ala gat musebeni chela no ka kornin dang rautin paiwa ka gor kornin dang rautin paiwa cha de ni Uganda cha ga jagre wich ka Juba to wa kirma yadit wajagang ka kor en but wogre wich ka so Sudan choraje mo cha gor ka Twitter gwas la rice ni with mon a gwar ke pintin kila na da right ko ba kul jigene dial wi mon jana jamin gu gwas magum na cha gor ke Twitter ne as of 2 days ago our special forces unit entered Juba to secure it jana ko nin dang roten paiwa jana shi deni ko shika wa rewi ke Juba lo bukan Juba kan ogang men je gwe nan je gwas gor je ke March 11 2025 lo e wala shanka welkel ka pay diok ron kina dangara wude jan dangara wude de yenenen ne me micha gorejen timro dien gwato micha lat we the UPDF only recognize one president of South Sudan His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit is our afande even in UPDF because he is the younger brother of Museveni. Any move against him is a declaration of war against Uganda. All those who will commit that crime will learn what it means. Ajeni konni konti la Uganda ala UPDF la dini Uganda jeni Ramadan kune recognize ko rada kimen ngine ye kur ni Salva Kiir Mayardit tara dien ka jenen Salva Kiir Mayardit jeni gad metot ki gur Museveni mala kur Uganda Moozi kanerugba jen gat Museveni Moozi jen gat kwara na kep Uganda jen ramu South Sudan ki wo Kiir Mayardit we je tiap jen no ba ka nyin ke je ba ni min enri ga bebeno bine yin keja na me gor je ga chanka wal ka pay diok ron kida dangro wi je dangro di ala pan na me mele ni ala pan keja na me e pan na me ni gor je wala na me nyoko je gor pan keja amri den gwa mi cha gor ke March 11 banyo ko wala we shall protect the entire territory of South Sudan like it was our own. That is the will of the commander in chief ajene bine kay ni South Sudan dial bine gang chikamis South Sudan aweda joraj mo cha jalar gor je wala ga changa wel kel ka pay de ron kidan dangro jen dangro de diech wude me jen nda gat Museveni gan Museveni joraj me cha jekwen enu jen chike de chikana jagre we chika Juba ko che je gwar ke Twitter jen kwal goro no biya jelin ka do bran che gor ke je ban jelin ka tok English ka do bran cha gor ke je mi jiram jedit kanwar online TV channel gor jen wojin der jen wak nas ko kien baner je chuleng manan che gor gwasame che gor ne ki ne de konon gor me the Uganda People Defense Forces Chief of Defense Forces CDF and the first son General Moozi Kanerugba in the wee hour of Tuesday revealed on his Twitter that until that Uganda troops are in South Sudan to protect President Salva Kiir and secure the capital Juba. Shortly before the disclosure to secure Juba, he wrote that the UPDF recognized only Salva Kiir as the president of South Sudan and that any move against him is akin to a declaration of war against Uganda. As of 2 days ago, our Special Force unit entered Juba to secure it. We, the UPDF, only recognize one president of South Sudan. Salva Kiir Mayardit is our afande, even in UPDF because he is the younger brother of Muse. Any move against him is the declaration of war against Uganda. All those who commit that crime will learn what it means. jegene jakan wore mi yen gu yen katin kon gore o ko nge kon gwanne jene dane ci rek ci la nere wech ka South Sudan me ci Nuer ci nak ngene gwano me shade me ci de kan jagane ga 2013 January ya nak alo ramkel me nam ko la gada. We shall protect the entire territory of South Sudan like it was our own. That is the will of the commander-in-chief. We, the UPDF, only recognize one president. That is it. You know? So, Raja May Raj Michaladan got Museveni. Well, he polished up with, we shall protect the entire territory of South Sudan like it was our own. That is the will of commander-in-chief, known for his outbursts and controversial late night and early morning posts on Twitter. The Uganda president has in the past often rallied neighboring countries and created uncomfortable diplomatic spat from which Uganda officials have distanced themselves. In a controversial post in December last year, General Kɛnɛ, the son of Museveni, well, he said, I'm going to give only one warning to all white mercenaries operating in eastern DRC Congo. From 2nd January 2025, we'll attack all mercenaries in our area of operation. And then Museveni's son said that. He added, in the name of Jesus Christ, the God of all Bachwezi, there shall not be left one white mercenary in DRC this time next year. This is what he said, Museveni, son, the president of Uganda. Relatedly, on 18 December 2024, Sudan demanded an official apology from the governor of Uganda for what he referred to, right? Because he said the government of Democratic Republic of Congo reacted by summoning. I mean, this was the what he wrote. Acting charge affair in Kinshasa, Matata, to seek clarification on Uganda government official position on the matter. Relatedly, on 18 December again, 2024, Sudan demanded an official apology from the government of Uganda for what it referred to as the offensive and dangerous comment published by the Uganda Chief of Defense Force on Twitter. In a statement issued by its foreign minister, Sudan also called on the African Union and regional and international organizations to condemn this statement and weigh the entail in terms of a clear threat to regional and international security an insult to Africa. Uganda right now. According to the statement, the Sudanese Foreign Minister considered the Uganda Army Chief Command reckless and irresponsible and say they represent a complete departure from the rule of conduct of those occupying senior officials and military positions, including prudency, discipline, and choice of words. This comment embodies abnormal precedent, a regrettable level of disregard for international law, the norm of dealing between states, and the requirement of mutual respect between brotherly and friendly people. The statement read in part the threat of war, the violation of the sovereignty of states, and the challenge to the Charter of the United Nations, the African Union, and the rules of international law are too dangerous to be subject of trivialization, seeking the spotlight and astonishment. Before that, General the son of Museveni threatened to invade Kenya and capture Nairobi within a few days. This is what he wrote before. Uganda Army ship is no stranger to South Sudan and was severally in the country when the UPDF intervened after the war erupted in December 2013. At the time, the Uganda Foreign Minister said the UPDF came in to protect Juba International Airport and to ensure that the evacuation of Uganda and other national. However, the UPDF soon took on a large mandate, including fighting rebels on the Juba-Bo Road, and recapturing Bo Town between the late December 2013 and early January 2014. Observers blamed the Ugandans for using cluster bomb against the rebels. This is what they did to Nuer people back then in 2013. They even went up to the Greater Upper State fighting Nuer, and this guy is very reckless, right, and irresponsible. As you hear it from all this information that was written here, Maozi Jen, like you Uganda mercenaries, tell a nang na pegdo shika yo, beacon ladder beacon ladder jen down and use quern kirga. So you the Jen would American and you quarter. The Jen Shannon, Medan Chinara and take it in Chaja Uganda Chaja look. Chaka Jagamanal copter right now they're in the land of South Sudan right corner canete. So Gorkano they can Nuer they can Ganyoka Menakanka. And I'm watching to Guamu, which ka win Nuer, don't worry. so don were cha jal bang ka la lar ke jal wasiet so gan Museveni we jega long ka mandaran le rode so jena na gore lar ye jeni antam right kone cha dini cha jagre wich ke Juba to wa kwen kir me yadi waje gang so jen nan to ko gi kene te kor butok kene kir me yadi de damandien jena na gore lar biete mon